Now, simply defined, leadership simply means the art of motivating a group of people. And of course, we're talking about a businesses, we're talking about your team. So, art of motivating a group of people towards achieving a common goal. And you will remember this from our discussion on objectives, how each individual employee is given their individual targets based on the overall company objectives. So, leaders play an important role in making sure that whatever the company has decided for itself and the employees is being followed in the correct manner by the employees. So, what does it take to be a good leader? Now, before we get into that, I want to say that not all bosses make good leaders. Okay, now what does it take to be a good leader? There's a bunch of qualities. Of course, there are some that I'll be able to mention here, but it goes beyond all of these. But just broadly speaking, the first thing that employees are looking for from their managers is motivation. Okay, that's the role of a leader. They need someone who can motivate them, G them up towards the common goal that the company will achieve. And they understand that if the company achieves their targets, the employees also get the right rewards for it. Additionally, they should be someone who have vision, okay, not just someone who is reactive in approach but proactive and sees problems before occurring and try to find the right solution for it. Leader is also someone that provides stimulating work for their employees. So the more stimulating or the more challenging the work is going to be, the more motivated the employees are going to feel. I'm the same way, and I'm sure you are also. They also need to be clear communicators. Okay, now you don't want any ambiguity, any confusion in directions coming from your leader. So the more clear they are, the clearer the communication, especially two-way communication. As long as that's established, this will always be a good relationship. Also, this is someone who will be recognizing the good job being done by the employees. So it's not just about giving the work down, it's also about praising and appreciating the effort that the employees are putting in. And also, leader will also need to be inspirational. Okay? Someone with charisma, someone who can get things done. And when a young employee joins and sees the fearless leader taking up with everyone internally or externally for the company, that will feel inspirational. I'm sure you've played on team sports, and when you see the captain performing, and I'm sure we're all feeling that we can do the same and we want to follow this guy into any battle. So that sort of inspiration is what a leader is supposed to exude. Also, that will only come from being a good example. Okay, following all the rules, going beyond the requirement of the job and the expectations of the employees, and doing more for them will always set a good example for everyone to follow. And if you can set a good example at the head of the group, I'm sure it will have a good positive impact, further down on the team.